Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 14 plate Ford Fiesta Zetec. This is the 1.2 petrol, 5 doors, finished in Panther black metallic, and it's covered just 27,000 miles. So I've got walk around this nice little Fiesta, low mileage example, 27,000, 5 door model, and it's got the 1.2 engine, which in my mind is certainly the one to have. 2 former keepers, really well maintained, 5 service stamps in the book. Got the nice 15-inch alloy wheels. They always look good, the Fiestas in the Panther black. It's a nice colour. Low insurance group 7 insurance, so cheap to run and insure. And this is also just £30 a year to tax as well. So a very economical little car to run day to day. Zetec model, so nicely appointed. I'll try and keep the sun out as best I can. Bolsters, etc. all good. Seats are nice and tidy. Of course, you get remote central locking. Electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. Over to the steering wheel again. Clean and tidy, you've got controls for your Bluetooth and voice recognition. Down below we've got a manual handbrake, 3 cup holders, you must be very thirsty indeed. 12 volt socket, you've got your USB, auxiliary, 5-speed manual gearbox. And then above, we've got air conditioning. You've got your quick clear heated front screen, and then up onto the infotainment system you've got your radio, you've got your Bluetooth as well. Straightforward Ford setup, which they've used for quite a number of years now, very easy to get along with. Just a nice place to be. You've got bits of piano black, and Fiestas, obviously ever so popular, do exactly what they say on the tin. You get plenty of space in the back, good headroom, 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats, so it's a proper 5-seater. And then into the load space at the rear parcel shelf. You've got your split folding rear seats. Really good size boot for a car of this sort of size. They always impress me, the internal space on the Fiestas. And then underneath you've got your luxury these days of a get your home spare wheel. So there we have it, 2014 on a 14 Ford Fiesta Zetec 1.2, 5-door model in the Panther black, 27,000 miles only, good service history, and just £30 a year to tax. Finance is available from £165 a month, that's with a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT. We will also be replacing a couple of tyres on the front, and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Thanks for watching.